So Nothing just dropped a new smartphone after their big CMF ecosystem launch. The new phone is called Nothing Phone 2A Plus, and when you hear the name you would think that the plus in the name means it's a larger version of the Nothing Phone 2A, because plus is often used in smartphone naming to indicate a larger model with a bigger screen like the Galaxy S24 and the S24 Plus or the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus. But sadly, that's not the case here. The phone 2A Plus has the same 6.7-inch AMOLED screen up front to go with the same flashing glyph lights in the back and the same 5000 mAh battery just like on the phone 2A. The major update is the new MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro 5G processor, which is claimed to be nearly 10% faster than the one in the phone 2A, and the phone 2A Plus also has a GPU that is 30% faster. The front-facing camera resolution also got bumped to 50 megapixel from 32 megapixel. But when it comes to the main camera setup, there is no improvements as the phone 2A Plus gets the same 50MP main camera from the phone 2A. And it now supports max 50W wired charging when compared to the 45W on the phone 2A. But still, there is no wireless charging option added to this new phone. And in terms of looks, the phone 2A Plus now comes in two new metallic colorways, an updated black finish and a new grey color that gives the phone a more premium look. Other than that, both phones looks the same with the same glyph light setup on the upper half of the phone, and the side bezels of the phone are still made of plastic, but the buttons on the phone 2A Plus is made of metal. When looking at the pricing, the phone 2A Plus is slightly more expensive than the phone 2A, which makes me feel like it is not an attractive option to go for, since there is not much of a difference in the looks or in the performance department when compared to the phone 2A. Nothing phones used to be unique and thrilling, but the phone 2A Plus just doesn't hit that mark. There's nothing plus enough to make it stand out from the rest of the cool and exciting phones like the Nothing Phone 2 or the CMF Phone 1. So what is your opinion on the new Nothing Phone 2A Plus? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more about the most affordable CMF ecosystem, then check out this video and remember to hit that like and subscribe button.